Oh my gosh, y'all. Today's been one of them days where I had a breakdown because this would be the third week or the second week that I've been bedridden over this cellulitis. And it's driving me crazy. I feel like I'm losing my freaking mind. I mean, some days I can handle it, and other days I feel like I want to explode. But I've had really good friends to keep my spirits up. I know I gave Jonathan Briefcase a shout out yesterday in my video, but I want to do it again because he's one of those friends that make life precious. You know the world's good when you have friends like him. So, thank you, Jonathan Briefcase, for being such a dear friend to me. I really, really appreciate that. You are a sweet person. On a funny note, my mom bought me she bought me an air horn. I already have two air horns. Actually, this one would be the third one. I got one great big one in my closet. It's white and red. And I got a mini one, like one that's this little. And then Mom bought me another one, which she tried to scare me half to death with. She's like, "Do you want to hear it?" And I was like, "No." I'm not necessarily scared of noise. I just don't like loud noises. Even if I know what's going to happen, I still don't like loud noises. I mean, I can handle loud noises, but I just don't really care for them. Although, with air horns, I get like the biggest kick out of them. I don't know why. Because every time somebody blows an air horn or wants to blow an air horn, I will cover my freaking ears before they even blow it. And then when they do it, I just die laughing. It's so stinking funny. It's like I don't like the noise. It doesn't bother me, but I don't like the noise. But it makes me laugh so hard that I basically get in tears. And I don't know why. I just do. I will laugh so hard that you will see tears rolling down my face. Yeah. I told my mom, I said, set it on my table beside me at night so that way I can wake you up in the mornings. She's like, "You don't want to make me mad in the mornings. Blowing, blowing that air horn, you're going to give me a heart attack." I had a relative that did that to me one morning. I was just waking up one morning too. And the neighbor's dogs was in the yard. So one of my relatives went outside and got the air horn and blew it to scare the dogs off. And my mom was like, "No, don't do that. Miranda's still asleep." And that didn't work because they still blew the freaking thing, which scared me half to death. I mean, it's funny now. It wasn't funny then because it about gave me a semi-heart attack. But it's funny now. I like funny surprises, loud funny surprises. I don't know why. It's just funny because it's like the whole shock of the thing because you're calm, cool, and collected. And then all of a sudden somebody's like, "Ah," and it just scares the freaking crap out of you. I was going to say poop, but that just doesn't sound ladylike, even though that is a polite word. But I've been sitting here thinking about that little air horn she got me. And I'm just sitting here laughing about it. Every time I think about it, I just die laughing. I think I'm finally getting back to my ASMR game. I'm trying to. It's kind of hard because I like to move around when I'm making videos. But since I'm not able to really move around right now, I don't make much videos here these days. And I apologize for that. I am going to try to get back in the swing of things as soon as I get better. I believe I'm getting better. It's just taken for dang ever. But things like this take a while to get better. That's no one's fault. It's really no one's fault. Things just happen. Things like this just happen because I have spina bifida. Anybody with spina bifida goes through stuff like this, so it's no one's fault that they go through it. It's just one of those situations where your body has to go through something to get rid of something, basically. So, I guess that's about it. Sorry my videos are boring here recently. I'm trying my best to make them as entertaining as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Peace and God bless.